Experts on the future of robotics, predictions, and insights. The future is here, and robots are no longer just a concept from science fiction. Today, we're diving into predictions on how robotics will shape our world. First, let's explore human-robot collaboration. Robots will increasingly work alongside humans in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. They'll handle repetitive or dangerous tasks while humans focus on creativity and decision-making. It's not about replacement, but collaboration. But as robots become more integrated into our lives, they bring new challenges. The ethical dilemma of AI raises concerns like bias in algorithms, job displacement, and privacy. Clear regulations and ethical frameworks are essential to ensure these technologies benefit humanity. Finally, the robot revolution is reshaping industries and daily life. From agriculture to logistics, robotics is enhancing efficiency and creating new opportunities. The future of robotics is filled with promise and challenges. By embracing collaboration, addressing ethical concerns, and adapting to the robot revolution, we can shape a future where technology truly empowers humanity. Subscribe for more insights on technology and innovation.